Hello, my name's Tyler.
My name is Amari. Where is he?
Where?
Where is he?
I'm Tyler.
I'm Amari.
I'm Austin.
We are documentary filmmakers who have set out to answer one question. How has the social standards of science affected society?
We talked to a variety of scientists to try to answer this question to varying degrees of success.
Please meet the people we've come to discuss these topics. Matt.
Sean.
How's it going?
Guys!
Hello, I'm Dr. Matt Cohen.
Hello, I'm Dr. Sean Gannon.
So, we called both of you here to discuss the question of how the social standard of science has positively affected society. I know that Dr. Cohen, you believe that it has, and Dr. Gannon, you believe that it has not. So, we called you here to just have a nice discussion about it and see both of your viewpoints.
Sure, I know all about that.
Hi, my name is Dr. Emily Ferguson.
Hi, Dr. Ferguson. So, what do you believe advanced technology and science has done for society?
Oh, I wholeheartedly believe that science and technology has benefited society.
I'm Dr. Matt Gordon, and science isn't that good, alright?
What do you believe advanced technology and science has done for society?
Oh, it's just crippled society completely.
How?
Look around you.
That is an evidence.
I think that the social standard of science has positively affected society. New applications of science all derive from scientific knowledge. For example, the knowledge of the DNA structure has led to the applications of DNA fingerprinting, tests for genetic diseases, and genetically engineered crops.
And in what ways?
Take the agricultural world. For example, advancements have led to the production of more healthy crops, bringing in more money to third world countries. This also lowers the price of crops, making them more affordable for impoverished people.
Well, first off, you're completely wrong. The standard of science is not always upheld and biased information is released. That leads to misconceptions and the quick spread of misleading information that exploits the media and consumers, leading to major political difficulties.
Well, to be largely accepted, a scientist's hypothesis and eventual finds must be subjected to scrutiny and acceptance by their peers and others in the scientific community before it is published in an accredited journal. Its reach can also be monitored in the impact factor of a journal.
The supposed impact factor of a scientific journal can help prove its reach, and credibility can act as an arbitrary measure of said credibility and not actually mean anything or be helpful to the scientific community.
But potential applications can motivate new scientific investigations. The discovery of microorganisms being able to produce drugs cheaper than the alternative motivates many researchers to continue their work in the field of microgenetics.
Advances of predetermining allergies has led to discoveries of new medications being produced that help reduce the effects of skin allergies.
How else?
Well, take for example the newly widespread idea and adoption of body cameras on police officers. It helps hold up transparency of proper arrest of citizens and when cases are taken to court.
So, Dr. Ferguson brought up body cameras. Do you have anything to say about that?
The use of body cameras it's weird because it makes you feel like someone's always watching you when the police is there. And it just takes away from the rights of citizens and their privacy.
What about the rights of innocent people stopped by the police who are increasingly violated by those police officers?
I'm not talking about innocent people here, alright? I'm talking about criminals. They deserve what they've done things that are wrong and they deserve to be punished for it.
Are you insinuating that criminals don't deserve rights?
The complaints against the police are fastly reviewed because of the body camera, recording every action during an arrest, which helps rid of bad cops and alleviates the good cops for using proper technique and having evidence to refute the complaints.
I mean, it puts the good cops at risk.
How does it do that? How do you see the complaints against body cameras as infringing the rights of citizens?
So body cameras are used to basically refute allegations that are made against the police. They're not necessarily used to, they're not necessarily used just for every crime that's taken place. So they'll use them in court for things they actually caught on camera that involve criminal activity, but they won't just bring random citizens recording into court.
Alright, so how can you just say that science isn't beneficial? Like, think of all the things that you have in your life, like medicine, phones, computers, cars. Like, where would that be if we didn't have science?
Well, the first thing is there's fluoride in the water, okay? Fluoride is turning everything gay in this world. It is mind control, okay?
Science?
What are you even talking about?
I'm talking science, dude. What do you
No,
mean?
I'm talking about fluoride. What are you talking about?
You personally, and how do you see it as benefiting society as a whole?
Well, personally, Dr. Dannon, if it wasn't for science, I might possibly be dead right now. I had cancer, and my life was saved by chemotherapy. So,
It's fake news.
okay. How about all the other cancer survivors?
All fake news.
All fake. Okay. Well, I got nothing.
It's all a cover-up conspiracy theory.
For what?
Fluoride.
Oh my God.
Are you saying that you do not believe in cancer?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. How?
I already said it. Fluoride.
What is the correlation between fluoride and cancer?
Well, fluoride is turning the frogs gay, okay?
How does fluoride make frogs gay? Exactly?
God said so.
Frogs?
Oh my God. God,
Yes, sir.
explain.
You know, he just told me last night.
What is your doctorate in?
It's Scientology. Graduated from UC Berkeley, you know how it is.
The use of information and communication technology in the classroom has increased the effectiveness and quality of teaching in the classroom.
Science ever done for us, all right? The common folks out here.
Do you have a cell phone?
Yeah.
That's science.
How? It poisons children's minds, all right? They're always stuck in these new devices. They're not talking to people. Like newspapers. Newspapers need to be brought back. They have all the news you need and you're not stuck on your phone.
And what research do you have to back this claim?
Age. Back in the old days, people loved newspapers, all right? People talked with each other, they read the newspapers, they related newspapers. It was a good time back then.
It's the same information.
So,
The same information that's printed on newspapers is also online. Just faster.
well, but newspapers are more efficient for the environment, okay?
That's wholeheartedly untrue.
How?
Paper,
What do you mean?
deforestation.
Okay. How do you think our phones get charged? They have to burn coal, put a bunch of pollution into the air, okay?
What about renewable energy?
That's fake.
How
That doesn't
is-
exist.
How is that fake?
Doesn't exist.
Have you ever seen a wind turbine?
What's that?
Where did you get your degree from?
University of Phoenix.
I think we're done here.